Welcome to Connect AI's opening session at the MWC 2026. Our theme today is to break the walls, the convergence of AI, devices and connectivity.
About 20 years, hindsight remains to the forms of passive screen. We think in the AI era, everything changed. Smartphone will transform from passive tools to a proactive partner. We are about to see a Cambrian explosion in AI hardware. We are combining the smartphone technology with robot together to give the smartphone the eyes to see, the brain to think, and the arm and the leg to move. Many peripherals that will detach from the mother handset, like glasses, like sensors. All these devices can work together for different scenarios. We think that's the vision that we want to provide the new scenarios and the new interface to people. For honor our AI ecosystem, we are based on our AI Connect platform. The AI Connect platform is not just a connection for transmission, but it's a smart sharing intelligence. In the future, maybe there will be a digital avatar or digital twins for you in your handset. These twins can share to other devices, like your robots, like your home devices, like your cars, to know you well from the agent. And maybe the agent can talk together. We don't think that technical should be cold. It should give warmth to people. So our vision is AHI, augmented human intelligence. Our goal is to combine the technology with humanity. And we think that tomorrow is not just smart, but alive.